Hi, welcome to the Microblaze processor based FPGA project implementation video. The system which uses a Microblaze processor is used to accept data user input using the UART port, and the FPGA board is connected to the host computer using the JTAG serial communication. The user has the option to give the input using the user console. Going to the functionalities of the GPIOs, first we will be mentioning about the push buttons. That is, the up push button is used to increment the data. The down push button is used to decrement the data. The right push button is used to right shift the data. Similarly, the left push button is used to left shift the data. The middle push button can be used by the user to intimate the system that he would like to give a new user input. The 7-segment display on board is used to display the results after the operations, and the dip switches 1 and 2 is configured so that it will decide on how the result should be displayed. If the dip switch, which is in the on condition right now indicated by the LED, if it is on, it means that the system will display the result on the 7-segment display. If it is off, that is a dip switch number 1, if it is off, it means that the results of the operations will be showed on the user console. The dip switch number 2 is used if the user wants the data to be displayed both on the user console and the 7-segment display. So if the dip switch number 2 is on, it means that the result will be showed both on the 7-segment display and the user console. Now to the implementation. As of now, the system is up and running, so the user console is asking the user to enter the number. So in order to show the full capability of the system, I am giving a 8-digit number. I'm giving enter. So since the dip switch number 1 is on, the number is shown on the 7-segment display. Now to the functionalities of the push buttons. Up button, it increments. The down button decrements the value. The left button left shifts the value. The right button right shift the value. Now the operations can be done to whichever action the user wants. That is, let's say incrementing the value how many times he wants, decrementing the value to whichever actions he wants, and similarly the shifting also. That is the full left shift. Now going for the right shift. Okay, so that is the full functionality of the system. Now I just want to show the functionality of dip switch number 1. Since it was on, all the results were shown on the 7-segment display. Now I'm turning it off. So the 7 segment display is off right now. So whatever functionalities that we are doing right now will be showed on the user console. I am incremented it 2 times. Now I am decrementing it by 1 time. I am left shifting it 3 times. Now I am right shifting it 4 times, and now I am turning on the dip switch number 2 to show that the user wants the outputs to be displayed both on the user console and the 7 segment display. So the data is displayed on 7 segment display. I am just incrementing the value. It is incremented. Left shift and the right shift is done. All those functionalities is shown on the user console also. The system is able to handle the boundary conditions of addition. In order to show that, I am pressing the middle button, which shows that the user can enter a new data. So I am pressing the middle button. The data is cleared on the board and the user console asks the user to enter the new number. So I am giving a number to show the boundary conditions of addition, which is handled by the system. Let's say I am giving this value and I'm giving enter. So when I'm incrementing it, now it is a 7-digit number, it should increment to 8-digit number. That is handled by the system. So I'm incrementing it by 1, and if I'm subtracting it, it will go back to the 7-digit limit. So thank you for watching the video. This project was done by Alex, Zando, Jagdish and Shirley. Thank you for watching.